In order to create the fluffiest, flakiest Sno Biz treat, the ice must be tempered prior to shaving. All that means is that the block of ice should be taken out of the freezer to sit at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes before it is used. When the ice is fully tempered and is ready to shave, it will have a glossy, glassy, wet look. The ice has been tempered to make the Sno Biz treats look and taste the best. To make those treats, you will be using a block ice shaver. Before putting ice in the machine, check to make sure the power switch is turned off and that the cutting blade is down below the shaving plate. Slide open the safety shield and center the ice block on the shaving plate. Secure it in place with the ice block holder. You do not want to use your hands to lower the ice block holder, as grease will get onto your hands. Close the safety shield so that it is between you and the block of ice. Turn the power switch on and start the machine by pressing the foot pedal. Finally, raise the blade slowly until the ice comes off as flaky, fluffy snow. Your objective is to deliver long, fluffy sheets of snow. These flakes will help retain the flavor. They are also softer and they feel better in the mouth. This is grainy, coarse snow from non-tempered ice. It neither looks, feels, nor tastes as good as the long, fluffy sheets. If the machine makes a loud, roaring noise as it shaves, it is not producing the correct flakes. This can also dull your blade faster. Contrast that roaring sound with this more desirable purring sound, and you can hear the difference. A humming sound means the ice is being shaved correctly. To fill the cup, wear plastic gloves. Hold the cup with 2 hands and rotate it to spread the ice throughout the cup. As the cup fills, build a mound with your gloved hand and gently form the snow into an attractive, symmetrical configuration. Do not pack the top. Form it gently. Only practice will make perfect in the art of forming the perfect Sno Biz shave ice. This product is packed so tightly, it will detract from its taste. This one is so loose, it has collapsed. But this Sno Biz treat is perfect. It not only looks great, but it will taste even better. There is a skill to pouring the flavors for a Sno Biz treat correctly. Take hold of the bottle by the neck and turn it upside down so that it pours at full speed. When the flavor stream hits the bottom of the cup, you will feel a gentle tap. Turn the cup and continue to pour until the remainder of the shaved ice has been covered. Let's look at some examples. This Sno Biz treat does not have enough flavor. By the time the customer gets to the bottom, all that remains is ice, and it will have no taste at all. This one has too much flavor, and at the bottom this will resemble flavored water. This one is just right. By the time the customer reaches the bottom, the flavor will have penetrated through the entire cup, making the entire Sno Biz treat an exciting taste. From the very first taste, your customer will know Sno Biz treats are different from anything else they've tried. With the ribbon-like shaved snow and true-to-life flavors, you're creating an unforgettable experience, which will keep your customers coming back for more.